Hello guys, how are you? Today I have 6 personal finance tips and tricks to make you rich. If you want to know, stay with me. Trick number 1 is side hustle to make more money. You don't have to sacrifice all of your free time to start a side hustle. Use the time you are comfortable with and make a little bit of progress every day. Trick number 2 is take action today. Get to working on improving your finances today, not tomorrow. Reading the steps and thinking you are capable of doing it, but postponing it is just an excuse, an unprofitable one. Now moving to the trick number 3, communicate with your partner. Talking about your financial goals and scheduling time once a month to go over your finances together can prevent money from affecting your relationship. And the most important trick number 4, which is start investing. You should have a savings account, but your money is depreciating if that's your only investment. Average savings don't yield more than inflation. Real estate, peer-to-peer lending, exchange trade funds, and stocks are examples of common investments. Cryptocurrencies are also an alternative, although risky. Trick number 5 is create an emergency fund. You can't predict an emergency, but you can prepare for one. The best way to do so is to set up an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Common financial emergencies include job loss, natural disaster, and car, house, and health issues. Rule number 6 is set financial goals. A clear set of goals can keep you motivated and help you plan to reach it faster. Have different goals for what you want to achieve in the next 3 months, 1 year, and 5 years. This way, you will have some short and long-term goals to look forward to. Hope you like my video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay connected.